Hello, in this video I will show you how to make design 2 of my Una pattern. The pattern link you can find below in the description box. Also, I want to show you how to modify my pattern to create Agent Provocateur inspired tongues. So stay with me or follow the steps to create your own. To keep the video simple, I'll show you how to make bag detail and attach it to the front of the underwear, as well as how I change the pattern to create Agent Provocateur inspired tongues. For total beginners, please see my previous video on how to secure straps, make adjustable straps, connect picot edge elastics and attach and enclose crotch, or refer to my written PDF instructions. And let's go to pin the pattern to the hold of the mesh or any other stretchy material you choose. I use medium thickness mesh with 4-way stretch. Then hold the mesh or jersey in half, face to face. The pattern shows which side has to be attached. Cut out the two details with hold from your chosen material with great stretch. Pin them together facing inward. Because the material is thin, I recommend basting these materials together for easier your life. Overlock the two sides. If you don't have an overlocker, try a zigzag stitch instead. Turn the detail right side out, straighten it and press with an iron. Align the seams together like this. One side of the seam allowance faces one direction and the other faces the opposite. This is necessary to prevent thickening in this area. Pin and use an iron to line the seam allowance in the right direction. And let's move on the next step for now, which is to create Agent Provocateur inspired front side detail. These are the panties what I liked. The panties front base has decorative elastic straps stitched to it. The elastic straps are extended to the back of the panties. They have a decorative and functional role by joining the front and back of the panties. Firstly, we need to know how long the elastic band should be because we won't be making adjustable straps elastic by the sides. I determined what size elastic was required based on the pattern, which was size M, and it is 20.5 centimeters on each side. This is too much for this design without regulators, which means I'll cut the value in half. First, since the elastic strap I use is soft and stretchy, and secondly, because we can alter it when trying on. If you are not sure how to split this number, leave more and trim the excess during the fitting process. I pinned the elastic in the desired location, measured 12 centimeters, including 1 centimeter seam allowance. And to make them symmetrical, I measured out as similar pieces of elastic as you can see in the video. I'm going to use the same technique to lay out the other elastic straps now. On one side, pin the elastic bands in the desired finishing place. Using a ruler, align the other side symmetrically. Attach crotch to the front side. You can watch my other video to do this or refer to the PDF written instruction. To secure the elastic straps in place, stitch them together with 7 mm seam allowance from the edge. Leave pins only to the top elastic straps as you can see on the video. Attach a picot edge elastic on both sides to the front of the panties. I'll use this elastic band that has an acid color. Let's stitch crotch and back sides together. Turn the back side inside out and insert the main detail as seen in the video. The wrong side of the main details is facing up. Align the raw crotch edges together. Pin them together or baste it. Use an overlocker or straight stitch to sew pieces together. Let's arrange our elastic straps in a checkerboard layout once you have stitched the crotch together. and follow my example while watching the video. At the point there the elastic straps cross, fasten with pins or basted. And attach picot edge elastic to the back piece edge. Using a pin, join these 3 elastic straps together from each side. Face to face, position the elastic bands and the back piece edge together. Pin or baste it and stitch together with 1 cm seam allowance. After stitching, trim seam allowance to 2-3 mm and cover the seam allowance with zigzag stitch. Repeat everything on the other side. Secure each elastic strap's crossing points with tiny zigzag stitch. And this is the result from front and back sides. And this is a finished result. So thank you for watching. I will be appreciated for your likes, comments, and subscribe to my channel for more.